All right, guys, check this out. You're looking at a top 6 teeth custom fitted grill. Now, this one here is solid gold, 14K, solid gold. Check that out. Here's your stamps, 14K, 14K. Okay. Now, this is handmade from solid gold, and it's available on our website. You can get your own custom fitted teeth grills on blingcartel.com. You get a free mold kit, you get free shipping, quick service, quality work. Check that out. This is real solid gold, guys. Can't go wrong with blingcartel.com. Check us out, guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.